Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for You. This morning I wanted to try to build the simplest OLE control that could possibly work in VA Smalltalk. So to get started, let's go ahead here to Tools, and we're going to load support. And what we're going to do is we're going to load the basic VA OLE support. So we scroll down just a bit and we find OLE support here, move it over, load that in, and that'll give us the ability to embed OLE components inside the VA organizer, which is what we want to do. Once that's all in, what we want to do is go to Tools. And what we're going to do is open the organizer up, and we're going to create a new application. So I'm going to call this Simple OLE App, and I'm going to call this Simple OLE View, because we're going to make this a very simple little thing. So we'll hit OK down here, and we'll wait for the organizer to come up. And all we're going to do is go down here to this part. Let's move this up so we can make sure you see it. We'll bring OLE in, and we're going to just bring in the Simple OLE client. And we'll drop this down. I'm going to make this a little bigger because I want this to be pretty much the size of this window. So we're going to expand that. And now what I'm going to do is open the settings on it. And let's move that over. So what we're going to do with this guy is we're going to go down here to the source path. Now all we're doing with this control is embedding a bitmap into a window. So it's a very simple control, but the point here is we're going to be using the standard Windows control for displaying a bitmap as opposed to writing our own Smalltalk code for this. So I'm going to give it the path to the file, and I've just dropped one right in here. So I've got this bitmap file here, and it's just the graphic I used for another Smalltalk daily converted to a bitmap. So we'll drop that in. You notice that it renders right away. So we'll close that. And now it's all rendered, and what we can do here is File, Test, open up a window, and there it is. So we've got yesterday's, well, 2 days ago actually, screencast showing up in there, the bitmap that I used when I posted it to the website. And that's really all there is to it. This is the simplest OLE control we could possibly embed in a VA window. All we have is the Windows graphics control rendering a bitmap for us instead of, again, Smalltalk code doing that for us. And that means that we're getting whatever it is that Windows does, and we're always up to date. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.